Hi everybody, it's Kiera with Runway Beauty, and I wanted to go through the latest, greatest Black Seed conditioner from Runway Beauty. If you've tried the shampoo, you're absolutely going to love this conditioner. So it is super easy to detangle, has the same great premium ingredients like the shampoo. Also, it still gives you a really good amount of slip without leaving your hair greasy, and still having that moisturized feeling, not that dry feeling that you get after moisturizing your hair. So we're going to walk through that. It has definitely been a rough week. As you can see, we rocked the fro all week, but now we're going to go ahead and wash and condition. So come join me. So I wash and condition weekly, usually on a Saturday or Sunday. And I've already introduced the shampoo before, but just to reiterate, it has a lot of healthy premium ingredients in it. But what I love the most is the sea kelp. So sea kelp promotes a healthy scalp, which is important for one, to make sure your scalp is breathing, but also to make sure your roots are growing and have the nourishment that they need. It is more of a water consistency base. A little bit goes a long way. If you thoroughly wet your hair, you will get like the wash of your life. It leaves your scalp feeling refreshed, gives you a nice little tingle, not a burn, but like a nice tingle and a cooling sensation, almost like a massage, to be honest. And I absolutely love it. One lather will do you really well, but if you're like me, you're probably going to go for two. So now we have the conditioner, the Black Seed conditioner. Super excited when this came out. So again, just like the shampoo has a ton of premium healthy ingredients in it, my favorite ingredient in this is babasu oil. So babasu oil is good for strengthening and regenerating your hair, which gives you your strong, healthy hair strands, which help with retention and making sure you could get that curl definition and pattern that you absolutely love. So I use the conditioner directly after shampooing, and it has amazing slip. Like when I say you could detangle your hair so easily, like this takes your routine down easily, 10-15 minutes to 5 minutes, and it rinses really well in a way that you feel like it's like gliding off your hair strands, but you still feel moisturized after you rinse. So you don't have that crunchy hair feeling after you finish rinsing out everything. Like your hair is still soft, still moisturized, and pretty much detangled and ready to either deep condition or go into whatever style you desire. So after a long week, let me show you how Runway Beauty gets my weekend started. Okay, so first let's get into our Black Seed shampoo. Alright, so as I mentioned before, you want to make sure that you thoroughly wet your hair all over. I prefer to pour the shampoo into my hair. For some folks, they like to pour it in their palm, but I like to make sure I get a really good lather. As I mentioned, it has sea kelp, so I want to make sure that all of those premium ingredients get all the way down to my scalp to give it a really good cleansing. Also, if you have any conditions like eczema and things like that, this is also really soothing for that, and it makes sure that it gives you a gentle yet a powerful cleansing. Now we're going to go in with the Black Seed conditioner. The Black Seed conditioner is cream based and it smells really, really good. I like to make sure that I saturate my hair with it completely, and then I'll start dividing in sections. The babasu oil in the conditioner is really good for strengthening your hair strands, which is important when you're doing any kind of manipulation to your hair. So for me, I noticed that I had less shedding and it was easier to detangle with less pull on my hair. Also, the product has really good slip, so as you're working through your hair, you should not have a ton of tugging at all. Look how easily my detangling brush is gliding through my hair. And that's my weekend with Runway Beauty.